this video, we learn how to install Quick Bulk Order Status Update Pro extension, and also we'll be having a basic overview of this extension. So let's begin. Once you have purchased the extension, you will be redirected to the download extension page. Here, according to your OpenCart compatibility, means the version of OpenCart you're using, you need to download the extension. So right now this extension is available for 3.0 and above, and in future it may be available for 2.0 and above. Okay, so if your extension is OpenCart 3.0 and above, just click on this download button and the extension files would be downloaded. As you can see, the extension files has been successfully downloaded. Now we'll go to our OpenCart website and install this extension. So let's begin. Now, as you can see, I have reached my OpenCart website admin login page. Now enter login credentials. I have already entered them, username and password. After that, click on login. As you can see, we have successfully logged in into our OpenCart website. Now click on extensions, installer, and here you need to upload the file which you just downloaded from the download page. So click on upload and select the file. Click on open button or whatever it is in your OS. As you can see, the extension file has been installed successfully. So now go to modifications and hit clear, hit refresh. No, that's not completed yet. Now go to extensions, click on modules, go to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find the name of the extension, update order status. Here you need to install it here as well. Yeah, you need to install it here as well. Click on install. Now click on edit, and as you can see, you have reached the extension page. Now you can't see the whole content. For that, first you need to enter your license key. So it's quick and simple. Let's generate a license key immediately. So just click on this button, generate key, and it will take you to the license generation page. Here you need to enter your order ID. The order ID which you received when you purchased the extension from OpenCart. Okay. Number 2, you need to enter your domain name without www or https, just the domain name. For example, the domain name is apple.com. So you will enter apple.com, no www, no https. Okay, I'll show you with an example. Suppose my order ID is 392899 and suppose my domain name is opencartlabs.net. So I'll enter opencartlabs.net. So as you are seeing, I'm not entering any www or https. So that's it. Now click on generate key. As you can see, a key has been successfully generated. Copy this key and now go to your website. Here enter the license key which you just generated. Okay, enter the license key and click on save. As you can see, the license key has been updated successfully and the extension UI is also visible now. Let's go to the license tab and see, and you'll find that extension is active and has a valid license key. That's all. That means you have successfully installed this extension. Everything is working as expected. All the tabs, all the UI are available over here and it's ready to be used. Now